accidentally deleted iMessages with your dad, mom, or friends in your iPhone Messages app, you're not alone. You still have the chance to get the whole iMessage conversation back and also recover the attachments you send like photos, links, audio, documents, etc. Okay, now let's pretend to accidentally delete all these iMessages, including your group chat. Next, I'll show you how to recover deleted iMessages on iPhone. Now, quit all running apps and start recovering the iMessages history. First, check if you have turned on iMessage syncing across all your devices. Go to Settings, tap your name, and tap iCloud. If the message toggle is green, you can recover iMessages on your iPhone by directly downloading them from iCloud. To do that, turn off the message switch and choose Disable and Download from iCloud. Wait for a few seconds, go to Messages app, and you should get back deleted or lost iMessages conversations now. Try again if you can't retrieve them back at once. Don't worry if the message toggle is off. Your next step is to check if you have backup iMessages before deleting them. Still in iCloud, tap Manage Storage, tap Backup. If there's an iCloud backup that's made earlier than when chats were deleted, you can restore deleted iMessages on iPhone from iCloud backup. Be mindful that you need to restore your device to its factory settings to get back the iMessages. If you are fine with that, now head to Settings app. Tap General, scroll all the way down and tap Reset. Choose Erase all contents and settings and tap Erase now. After the reset, quickly set up your iPhone and when you're in Apps and Data screen, choose Restore from iCloud Backup. Log in with your Apple ID. Choose an iCloud backup that contains the iMessages conversations you have deleted or lost. In other words, select the backup with the date before you delete the text. You can also restore the one that's deleted weeks ago or months or years ago if there's an older backup available. Complete the following steps and now the iMessages conversation history and attachments should reappear on your iPhone. Before you deleted an iMessage, maybe there's no time for you to back it up. There's exactly where iOS data recovery comes into play, providing you an efficient way to retrieve deleted iMessages on iPhone without any backup. It will safely scan the device after connecting, find the deleted iMessage chats along with the attachment, and then pull them out. One more bonus feature is that if you have trouble restoring iMessages from iCloud Backup or iTunes Backup, it helps easily extract the backup, list the backup conversation including the text and attachments, and gives you the option to select the one you deleted to restore. And you don't have to reset the device or overwrite the current data. To get this iPhone iMessages recovery software, go to AppGeeker.com. Click Products in the top menu bar. Under For Windows title, find and click iOS Data Recovery. If you use a Mac, select iOS Data Recovery for Mac. Here, hit the Download button. Then install and open the software. Plug your iPhone into the computer with a Lightning cable. Once connected, hit the Start Scan button. It may take a few minutes to scan the device. Then, hit Messages and all your existing and deleted iMessages should be displayed there. Click any string of message to preview the chat history. You can also switch to Message Attachments in the left sidebar to view the photos, emoji, documents, audio, and other attachments you have sent through the app. Now, select the text you'd like to recover. You can check the message box to select all of them or uncheck it to choose the needed one to recover. Click the Recover button. Select the Output folder and hit Recover again. Wait until you get back the lost iMessage chats. To use these two to restore from iCloud or iTunes Backup, you need to use the Recover from iTunes Backup file mode or Recover from iCloud mode. You can check out this video to get detailed steps if needed. Your last resort is to restore your lost iMessages from iTunes Backup. Note that this step will also delete everything from your device and then restore it from the iTunes Backup. If you don't want to factory reset your phone, just consider the iOS data recovery tool to help you out. If you don't mind it, open iTunes. Connect your device to the computer where it stores your iTunes backup. Click your device icon. Choose Restore Backup. Select the backup with the date prior to you losing the iMessage. Hit Restore, and then all your lost iMessages will be back on your device. That's pretty much it for how to retrieve iPhone iMessages when you accidentally delete them. If this video helps you get better text, please give it a like and leave a comment below to let us know. Also subscribe AppGeeker's channel to get more helpful tips. See you guys in the next video.